Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about the first two of the 8 science and engineering practices. Now, the science and engineering practices are very important to science because they are how scientists and engineers actually work through a problem. Let's start right now with practice number 1. Ask a question and define the problem. In this, scientists will use natural phenomena and seek to develop testable answers to questions. We talked about phenomena today in class when we looked at our Phenomena Monday picture. We looked at making scientific observations and scientific questions that picture drove us to want to answer. Engineers use it because they begin with a problem or a need or a desire to make something better. They take whatever it is they're trying to improve on and they start to identify constraints, limitations, what's going to stop them from being able to make something better. Practice number 2, develop and use models. Now in this, science involves the construction and use of models along with simulations to help make predictions that can be tested. This is where they start doing some of their testing. They start figuring out what they can use, what they need in order to try to solve that problem. Engineers will actually at this point they're going to be building their models, making use of models, simulations to analyze existing systems, exploring modifications, and testing those proposed solutions. This is where they start that first step of building something, testing it. How does it work? How can I improve it? That's where they're at in that point. Now, when we start to go through our science experiments, we're going to look at and talk about where we are in each of these steps. Again, today we focused on asking questions and define the problem, and develop and use models. Thank you.